Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best PAPRs review is probably one of the most important investments you can make for your respiratory health, especially if you work in an environment with hazardous airborne contaminants or are particularly vulnerable to airborne illnesses. This comprehensive review will cover various aspects of powered air purifying respirators, helping you choose the best model to suit your specific needs and ensure optimal protection against a wide range of potential hazards, from industrial dust and chemicals to biological agents and viruses. Number 5. AirGearPro G750 Respirator. This respirator mask provides comprehensive protection during various tasks, from painting and woodworking to chemical handling and more. It's your shield against harmful substances. It features a dual A1P2 filtration system. This means it effectively filters out gases, vapors, and particles, keeping you safe and healthy. Made from durable materials, including an airtight silicone seal and a strong ABS frame, it's designed for long-lasting performance and reliability. The polycarbonate visor adds impact and chemical resistance. Its lightweight design and 5-point straps ensure a comfortable fit for all face types and sizes. You'll barely notice it's there, even during extended use. Enjoy a wide 76 degrees field of vision with the anti-fog, scratch-resistant visor. The built-in voice diaphragm allows for clear communication, ensuring safety and efficiency. Whether you're a professional or DIY enthusiast, this mask is perfect for painting, construction, sanding, spraying, and more. It's your all-in-one solution for respiratory protection. What we like. It has a dual filtration system to protect against gases and particles. The wide field of vision and comfortable design make it ideal for long work sessions. If you need reliable protection and comfort during various tasks, this is the one for you. What people say. It fits and seals perfectly, the adjustments are easy to make after it's on, just pull the straps and that's it. The filters are easy to install and everything is of good quality. Everything about this full face mask is great, it's comfortable, easy to adjust and put on and remove. Number 4. 3M Versaflo TR300N Plus PAPR Kit. This kit provides all-in-one respiratory protection against particulates. It's easy to use and maintain, making it ideal for various industrial applications. The kit includes a disposable hood, PAPR unit, high-capacity battery, and all the necessary filters and accessories. Everything you need is right here. The disposable hood and PAPR unit are designed for quick and easy cleaning. Simply wipe them down with a damp cloth and mild detergent. When used correctly, it offers reliable protection against particulates. Remember, it's not for vapors or gases. It features a simple one-button operation with audible and LED alarms. The breathing tubes have a quick-release swivel connection for easy adjustments. The disposable hood provides excellent head, face, and neck coverage with a wide field of vision. Its slim profile is perfect for working in tight spaces. The high-capacity lithium-ion battery provides approximately 8 to 12 hours of runtime on a single charge, allowing for extended work periods. This product is for industrial and occupational use only. It is not intended for consumer use. What we like. This respirator features a disposable hood for easy cleaning and maintenance. The long battery life ensures all-day protection. If convenience and hygiene are your priorities, this is a great option. What people say. The 300 is a lot more comfortable on your belt. The battery life is more than sufficient and it's certainly nice to not carry around the bigger 600. Our requirements were solely filtering out particulates, so this setup was a smoking deal for a PAPR to keep our new hires' lungs clear of mica and other things floating around in the air in our shop. The system is comfortable to wear all day if necessary. I am a woodworker needing protection from wood dust. This product is superb for this. Even after being fit tested, the seal could be broken by turning your head to one side. Because of the constant flow of air being forced into the respirator, even if you break the seal, no dust migrates into my respirator. Number 3. 3M Versaflo TR300N Plus PAPR Kit. This kit provides all-in-one respiratory protection for heavy industrial applications. It's NIOSH approved for particulate protection, making it ideal for grinding and other similar tasks. Everything you need is included: hard hat assembly, PAPR unit, battery, charger, filters, and more. It's ready to use right out of the box. It offers reliable protection against particulates when used as instructed. Remember, it's not for vapors or gases. With its simple one-button operation and comfortable design, it's easy to use and wear for extended periods. The lightweight hard hat and breathable design help you stay cool and comfortable. It uses a blower to draw air through the filter, so you breathe more naturally and stay comfortable, even in hot and humid conditions. The high-capacity lithium-ion battery provides approximately 8 to 12 hours of runtime on a single charge, letting you work longer without interruption. Its slim and contoured design is perfect for working in tight spaces, reducing the risk of snagging. This product is designed for industrial and occupational use only and is not for consumer sale or use. What we like. It integrates a hard hat for added head protection. The comfortable design and long battery life make it perfect for extended use. If you're looking for head protection and comfort during long shifts, this is a great choice. What people say. The battery lasts as long as I want to stay in the shop, 8 to 9 hours, and only takes about 1 to 2 hours to fully charge it up again. This helmet is very comfortable and not too heavy after hours of use. This unit, when you start it up and then put it on according to the manual, eliminates labored breathing, one-way flaps getting stuck, and provides great airflow across your face. I am 6 feet 1 inch tall and the hose doesn't put any tension while bending down or squatting. The battery charged within about an hour or so. The filter is solid and relatively easy to change. The airflow in the hood is cool, and that is a nice benefit from using this unit. I also haven't had my glasses fog up on me at all while using the unit. Number 2. PAPR Air Pump with filters. It boasts a 15W brushless motor, generating a powerful airflow of up to 600 Lmin without the filter box. This ensures your comfort and control in any situation. Everything you need is included: the air pump, charger, 2 efficient 40mm filters, air tubes, belt, and adapters. It's ready to go right out of the box. It's designed to be lightweight and portable, easily attaching to your waist. This allows for comfortable, all-day use without hindering your work. It's compatible with most respirators on the market thanks to its dual connectors, bayonet and 40mm. This ensures versatility and wide-ranging use. The included filters effectively remove organic matter, vapors, dust, and odors, keeping you safe and protected. Enjoy clean, breathable air. With over 5 hours of operating time, it's perfect for extended use. It prioritizes both your comfort and safety during long work periods. What we like. This respirator boasts a powerful motor for high airflow. Its versatile design is compatible with many respirators. If you need powerful airflow and compatibility, this is the one for you. What people say. The high airflow is several times more than you need even when breathing rapidly when working hard. The excess airflow keeps unfiltered air from entering the mask. The generous airflow keeps your face cool. This little pump drives purified air into the mask at positive pressure. The excess pressure leaks out around the sides of the mask, which isn't a problem because the airflow is from inside the mask to the environment, and not the other way around. So your face is kept cool and moisture does not condense inside the mask. The air pumping in allows me to work for hours without losing breath. I'm breathing in clean air from the outside. Number 1. Dräger X-plore 8500 PAPR. This is the Dräger X-plore 8500 powered air purifying respirator, built for comfort and safety in demanding work environments. It's designed to protect you all day long. It features a heavy-duty design with rubber protectors and an IP65 rating, meaning it's protected against dust and water from any direction. You can count on it to perform even in the toughest conditions. This respirator automatically selects the correct airflow to prevent leaks. It also has an alarm system to alert you if a filter needs replacing or isn't properly installed. The comfortable carrying system ensures optimal weight distribution, and the lightweight hood is perfect for extended use. It's designed for easy cleaning and maintenance. It boasts an impressive battery life of up to 16 hours, and the charging system is quick and efficient. You can stay protected all day long without worrying about power. It's compatible with various Dräger X-plore 8000 filters, sold separately, allowing you to customize your protection based on your needs. The package includes the blower unit, a high-capacity battery, a hood, charger, belt, comfort pad, and a flexible hose. Everything you need to get started. What we like. It's built tough for daily use in harsh environments. Safety features include an alarm system and automatic flow selection. If you prioritize durability and safety, this is a great option. What people say. It's easy to assemble. It's portable. The battery life lasts about 15 to 16 hours and is rechargeable. Bought this back in March and have used for my entire shift every time I work in the hospital. It takes a little getting used to, finding the right fit on the headbands for the good, figuring out how to communicate above the noise of the air blowing, figuring out how best to decken after work, but it is now like a second skin. I prefer this to the PAPR setup, which causes neck pain after a few hours. I routinely wear this for 10 hours at a time. I bought this device to keep safe while taking care of COVID patients. It is an extremely well-built, reliable device, something to expect from Dräger, which also makes one of the best ventilators and anesthesia machines. A fully charged battery actually lasts way longer than what the manufacturer claims. I took 12-hour shifts and with the battery on at the end of the day I still had enough juice in the battery. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.